Everyone has a story. Who we are, what we aspire to be, how we make a difference. Barking Squirrel Media and Untold Content harness the power of storytelling to engage, inform, and inspire your organization's audience, no matter the industry. As PhD-level experts in movement, messaging, and speech, we bring your story to life through the written word and the lens of a camera. Untold's writers take a research-based approach to content development, crafting organizational narratives that are thought-provoking and personally impactful. Barking Squirrel's filmmakers create visually stunning and emotionally compelling films that are cinematic and authentic. Through our strategic and measurable approach, we ensure your content is optimized and delivered to reach your key audiences and pull them into your story. We work with a wide variety of thought-generating organizations, scientific and technical companies researching tomorrow's greatest innovations, healthcare organizations transforming the patient experience, nonprofits igniting philanthropic movement, academic institutions empowering future generations, corporate enterprises scaling communications on a national level, and startups challenging convention and changing what's to come. We are public intellectuals who believe that knowledge should be shared, that expertise can be translatable, that nuance and authenticity are recognizable even to non-experts. And we understand the power of your organization exists within the individuals that fill it with their collective experiences, talents, and expertise, all combined to create something much larger than themselves. It's time to establish your thought leadership and spread your organization's insights. Work with us to bring your untold story to life.